The first words I spoke in the original phonograph. A little piece of practical poetry. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
When I was but a boy, so smart and chipper, I broke a lot of teacups which I hid. Then Mother said, while reaching for her slipper, a little bird has told me what you did. Now if a bird about such things could warn her, perhaps a bird could do as much for me. So I'll consult those seen upon the corner. They pick your fortune out for you, you see. Molly love, I'm thinking of getting slight. Will my wife turn out a comfort or a cat? Now you don't want any more. You've already 3 or 4. Now how did the bird know that? While walking out one eve, I met a fellow who asked me if I'd join a social game. He smiled a smile so innocent and mellow. I winked an eye and smiled at him the same. We sat down to a little game of poker. The limit, well, it started very small. He cleaned me out before I knew that joker. In fact, I never won a pot at all. Molly love, oh, how did he have such luck? Why did I raise him when I could have stood pat? Well, he saw the way you got, that you held a bobtail flush. Now, how did the bird know that? Molly mine, oh, tell me a thing or two about the ponies that I picked. I want to chat. When the papers next you scan, you will see they also ran. Now, how did the bird know that?
The first words I spoke in the original phonograph. A little piece of practical poetry. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.